Ashcroft has been around for 160 years and ships 2 million products a year globally. We have manufacturing sites here in the US, down in South America, in Europe, in Asia, and we're probably the best kept secret in the pressure industry. My name's Tiago Ains. I am the Director of Corporate Accounts for both the Industrial and the HVAC group within Ashcroft. Ashcroft's done an absolutely phenomenal job in pharmaceutical, critical care processing. Now the general purpose requirements is an area that we need to spend a little bit more time on. So what we're doing is taking the existing technology, which is by far the best low pressure technology that's available in the industry, and applying it to general purpose requirements to be able to provide that same confidence in a critical care application across all of the other building modalities within the HVAC, pharmaceutical, and critical environment spaces. When you look at the technology of the electronic sensors, that's what separates Ashcroft from the rest of the field.
In fact, we make the most accurate low-pressure sensor in the world. The technology is called SciGlass. It's based on silicon MEMS, MEMS meaning microelectromechanical systems.
The SciGlass sensor provides you the ability to range a product based on what the actual range is of the sensor. What other folks are doing is they're taking a higher pressure sensor and turning the gain up to be able to amplify the output, to be able to get down to 1/10 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch. Regardless of what magic they put into the product, is that when you amplify an output, there's inaccuracies that are tied to it. The Ashcroft product will provide a true 1/4% terminal point unit, while our competition will have a 1/4% with a 1%, 0, and 1% span setting. So is it really truly a 1/4%? It's not. What other folks are doing is they actually install the product and have to set it and take the time to actually set that 0 and bring it down within specification. The Ashcroft product does not require that. You take it out of the box, you install it, you add the pneumatics, the electrical to it, and you're up and running. So there's no calibration required, no setting. So Ashcroft eliminates that with our terminal point-based calibration. In the HVAC space, we have direct people that are on the ground in all of these territories to allow us to work hand in hand with our customers. And so where building automation is changing and people are looking at savings and energy management and comfort, is that there's requirements that are different in each region. So having people that are localized is a huge benefit to understand what that specific region is requiring. Customer focus is always first and foremost in everybody's mind. We want to work with customers closely, we want to understand what their pain points are, we want to design a product that's specific for them if need be, but most importantly is we're not trying to get a sale. You know, we're trying to win a customer for life that allows us to have these customized engineering solutions to be able to work with the customer, provide them a solution based on what their needs are, and then work with them as their needs change.